You are ready to file for your reimbursement. You will receive an email as well as a claims due reminder to file your reimbursement claim with instructions. You will log in to the funding.mt.gov website. Once you have logged in, you will land on the welcome page with the main menu. Select My Grants. Select your project title that is underway for the grant in which you need to file a claim. Sometimes you will have multiple project titles, so be sure to select the correct one. Click here. Scroll to the grant components and select Claims. In order to embark upon a claim, you must add. Go to the top and click here. These are the claim instructions at the top. Please continue to scroll to the bottom for the claim general information. Under Claim Type, leave Reimbursement. Your report period is the start date of training to the end date of training. You may use the calendar box to select those dates. Click Final Request. Go to the top of the page and select Save. In the center under Reporting Period, select Return to Components. Scroll to the bottom, and you will see 3 components noted. The general information is now complete.